Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pass Arena 16 in Clash Royale. First, choose a strong deck and stick with it. Concentrate on one deck. Focus your efforts and gold on upgrading one deck at a time to make its cards more powerful. Consider popular decks. Some high-performing options for Arena 16 include beatdown decks like the Giant, Sparky, and Tornado deck, or cycle decks such as Minor Balloon Cycle or Hog Rider Earthquake. Some key strategies and card synergies include beatdown. Utilize powerful win conditions like Sparky alongside support like Giant and Tornado to create overwhelming pushes, or use the Evo Wizard with its shield to take down enemy swarms. Focus on low-cost cards and smart predictions. Hog Rider. Use the Hog Rider with Fireball or Login Arrows as support, and defend efficiently to create counter pushes. Balloon Cycle. Master smart plays and predictions against cards that counter your balloon, like the Mini P.E.K.K.A. or Bomb Tower. Use cards like Royal Recruits and the Magic Archer to trick your opponent into wasting their spells, leaving your main win condition free to deal damage. Some tips for effective gameplay include upgrading smartly. Prioritize upgrading cards within your chosen deck, starting with defense-oriented cards like the Knight and Goblins for better survivability. Anticipate opponent's plays. Anticipate and counter your opponent's strong cards with the correct responses to get more value out of your own. And finally, conserve elixir. Avoid spamming cards and only use them to counter an opponent's push. Save elixir for efficient defenses and strong counter pushes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.